Good morning, dear students. A warm welcome to the science class. As we are discussing conservation of plants, so a new term comes, that is flora and fauna. Flora are the plants found in a particular area, like the teak, sal, wild mangoes, and jamun. These are some trees which are especially found in Panchmari. So we say it flora, the flora of Panchmari, right? Another term is fauna. Fauna are the animals found in a particular area. For example, cheetah, wild dog, barking deer, blue bull. These all are specially found in Panchmari. So they are called fauna of Panchmari. Now we see the endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals found only in a particular area and not found anywhere else. Right? For example, we can say that loin is endemic to Gir forest in Gujarat. Right? Similarly, sal and wild mango are endemic flora of Panchmari. So, the species of plants and animals found only on a particular area are called endemic species. Now we see the conservation of biodiversity. So, conservation of biodiversity includes both conservation of forest and conservation of wildlife. First, we discuss conservation of plants or forest. There are many reasons of deforestation. A forest may be destroyed by some natural phenomena like the forest fire, several droughts, flood, earthquake, or fungal diseases also. But human beings are cutting trees for their self desire in large scale, like for producing land for cultivation of crops, vegetables, fruits, for building houses, factories, for clearing land for mining, cutting trees for making furniture, for paper, for wood. So we are facing a lot of consequences or bad effects. So the consequences of deforestation is that global warming is occurring now. Deforestation increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and causes global warming. Another is pollution. Pollution is another factor or bad effect which we are facing nowadays. Drought is the disturbed water cycle, right, which reduces rain and lowering of water level at a particular area due to the removal of trees causes frequent droughts. Another is soil erosion and flood also. Deforestation leads to decreased water holding capacity of the soil that consequently reduces in fertilization of water into the ground. So there are frequent floods and the fertile topsoil is washed away with water. Another is loss of wildlife or animal or plant life, right? As deforestation leads to loss of wildlife, plants and natural habitat of wild animals. And shortage of food, or we can say depletion of resources. Forest provides variety of essential commodities like food, fodder, fruits, medicines. So they support a variety of human races living in forest. And another term comes, that desertification. Desertification is the removal of top layer of soil, exposes the hard and rocky lower layer, which have a very less humus and air. As they are less fertile, soil becomes like desert. Means the whole soil is just like become desert. So it is termed as desertification. So these are some bad effects of deforestation. So we need to conserve that. That is conservation of forest. So conservation of forest is required to ensure a regular supply of forest products along with maintaining ecological balance. So this can be done by the following ways, like we can use alternative sources of fuel wood, like the biogas is a good alternative to the fuel wood, and preventing overgrazing. Grazing by cattle should be regulated. Another is forests should be protected from the fire by putting restriction on smokers, campfires for burning debris, and from pests and diseases by spraying pesticides and fungicides. Right? And another way, we can plant more and more trees, that is afforestation. Replanting trees in forest in a large scale. And general awareness is very important. It is necessary to create general awareness in the people for the forest conservation through different medias and mass movement. Recycling of paper. Paper is manufactured from trees, right? And it takes about 17 fully grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. It means paper industries is also responsible for deforestation. Therefore, we should save papers. So how can we reduce the falling of trees? It can be done simply by using the paper sheets carefully, not wasting them unnecessarily, and not tearing the paper, saving at least 1 sheet of paper daily. And another is using recycled paper. A paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times and reused. Thus, we can save tree as well as the energy and the water used in paper manufacturing.